Follow these 2 steps to get 5% interest rate on your mortgage. Look, I know this sounds fake, but this is the only real way to get a 5% interest rate in this market.
This is how it works, and it's simpler than you think. Let's say that right now you're facing an ugly 8% rate. This is how we're going to bring it down to 5. So, for example, instead of getting a price reduction, let's say $30,000 off your house on a $500,000 house, why don't we ask instead $10,000 or $12,000 in seller credits? Getting those seller credits will allow a good lender to get a lot more creative with the ways that they can lower your payment than just a simple price reduction. 2 of those ways is either getting a permanent or a temporary buy down, lowering your rate from an 8 even down all the way down to a 5%, lowering your payment hundreds of dollars.
That's it. Depending on the credit I negotiate for you, your payment can be 3% lower in this current market, thus saving you hundreds of dollars per month on your mortgage. If you're interested in using this strategy, comment the number 4.